Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 90s anime style preset. So I might just adjust this a little bit to kind of crop it. You don't have to, hold on, let me just zoom it in. There we go. So for this one, we are going to, hello, why do I keep pressing this thing? Go to exposure here, 2.37. Okay, and then contrast -41. And then for highlights, it's -70. Shadows +58. Blacks +28. Sorry, shadows +58. Why is it on the whites one? So white is +15. And then blacks is +28. Then we're going to go to color for the temperature, which is going to move it right about here. -43 maybe-ish. Tint 0. Vibrance +28. And then saturation -7. Go back to light and go to curves. For the white curves, we're just going to pull this down a little. We're going to add another circle here. And then we're going to add another circle here. Hold on, let me just move this downwards a little bit. And then add another one down here. And then another one. I'm just going to drag this up. Just follow my adjustments at this point. And then for the reds, just add these two kind of dots. And then for the green, it's gonna move this to the left just a little bit. And then add another circle here. Then add another one here. Then add one here. Then just move this green to the right just a little. Then for the blues, it's this pretty much similar thing to the red. Just add a dot here and then add another one there. Press done, and then we're going to go to color grading. For the third color grading, go to 52 for hue. And then saturation 27. And then for blending, 76. And then balance at 4. Then for this one, you're going to do hue at 295, sorry. And then saturation at 8. Then on the first one, you're going to do hue at 119. Sorry, hue at 199, and then saturation at 13. Press done. And then go to color mix. For red, you're going to do -35. And then -26 and -26. For orange, -15, 0 and +26. And then for yellow, +21, -13 and +24. For the green one, select plus 29, minus 28, and plus 24. For cyan, minus 36, minus 1. For blue, it's minus 28, minus 25, and minus 23. For purple, it's just minus 8 on the saturation, and then for magenta, it's still 0. Press done, and then go to effects here. For texture is minus 9, clarity minus 58, dehaze at 0, grain 47, size 32, roughness 58, and then for vignette minus 6, midpoint 35, roundness plus 31, feather 88, and then highlights at 48. And then you can also add masking, but it's optional. You're just going to add a mask all over it. So I'm just going to do linear. Oops. I'm just going to pull it down. And then go to color, and you're just going to opt for hold on, why can I not? Hue 52. And saturation 26. Oops. That's good enough. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If it's too grainy, just adjust it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.